Friends, welcome everyone. I'm Dr. N. Sridhar, founder director of Dr. N. Sridhar IAS Academy. We are a registered institute in Hyderabad. Friends, for those who are aspiring for government jobs in Telangana as well as Andhra Pradesh, the two Telugu states, this is a good time because there has been some activity on the recruitment again. Especially in Telangana, say after the formation of Telangana, we never had any Group 1 notification. And it is expected that out of the 50,000 vacancies the government is going to announce, if you see today's newspaper, the list has already been ready. It has been sent to government. So there is going to be a group 1 recruitment. And in Andhra, government has already 2 days back, the chief minister's office announced that by Ugadi, a job calendar should be brought in. And again, we will have a group 1 notification. So friends, this is time for you to again sit back and study for the top job in the state. And if you get group 1 now, within 8 to 10 years, there is a possibility that you can also be promoted as an IAS officer. There are many group 1 officers who are promoted, who have been promoted to become IAS officers. Okay. So friends, what I want to say is that this is a good time. You should start thinking about studies and getting a good job. In this current economic situation, government jobs are always better, and there is nothing like a group 1 job or civil services, IAS job or whatever. So friends, as far as our institute is concerned, we are a premier institute offering coaching for civil services and group 1. And we are launching a new group 1 batch, online batch from March 31st. This will be an integrated prelims and mains batch with a duration of 7 months. Everything will be covered to cover entire syllabus. And I will just share with you some details on this. Let me share the screen. So friends, the batch is commencing from March 31st, 2021, and it's a 7-month prelims cum mains course. Of course, interview guidance will also be provided for those who are successful in the mains. So it will be completed by October 2021, and access will be given for your classes till the end of your exam. That is one beauty of online coaching, that if it is a classroom coaching, if you miss the class, you miss forever. But in online, you will never miss it. You can always go back and see the class. Okay. Then the classes will be live and interactive. You can ask us questions. Of course, if you are unable to join the live class, the class will be archived in your login. And doubts anyway, you can always get back to us, to me, or to the respective faculty. And we are not a Zoom based or whatever. We have a dedicated portal website, drsridharias.com, and it will be a very high definition quality classes will be there for you. And notes will be provided, friends. Typed notes will be provided for you. And this is a prelims cum mains, so we will do a special focus on ensuring that you will score better in the preliminary examination, and there will be integrated current affairs classes also. Then the another aspect is that integrated test series. We are not charging anything additionally for test series. Generally, people do charge almost 15 to 20,000 for test series, but we are not doing it. That is an integrated part of the same fee. The fee for this is 30,000. Of course, this will be an additional GST also. We are a tax paying institute. And friends, the important aspect about is that we are exclusively English medium. We have a high quality, though Telugu medium will also be there, which will be launched later, but we are not going to mix the batches. This is for group 1 with a mains and objective focus, but those who are writing group 2 can also join, because group 1 prelims will also be group 2. So, but generally we don't club batches. This is an exclusive group 1 batch, and there is no Telugu medium mixed in this. It is exclusively English medium. We have the best faculty, including, of course, I will be the founder director, and I am responsible and for making your course very scientific and useful. We have other senior faculty like Mr. Ratnakar with a Central University background, and all other faculty also. are very senior and they are very good in English and their subject in English medium classes, the individual faculty details can be provided for those who are interested. You can call us. And friends, the current scenario where we still have the COVID related aspects, it is important that you start preparing and continuing it. You know, as you are aware, Telangana Group 1 will be a great opportunity for those who have not seen any notification for the last 7 years till the from the formation of Telangana. There will be a good number of Group 1 posts vacancies, I heard. So this is a good opportunity for you. And another important aspect is in AP now that the results are also expected for the last examination. The interviews will be held very soon. So it is good that you will be ready for a next round of Group 1 notification. So friends, this is a good time for you to start. And those who don't know me, this is my profile I have given. I've been in this field for the last 22 years and was very lucky to have guided many students to success in this long journey. So I will be with you. And friends, uh, this is good time for you to start preparation, friends. And it is very good job. I should tell you, the Group 1 and civil services are the best jobs in the country. You will be able to enjoy your work and there is a satisfaction that you are doing something for the people and the society and to yourself. So please do take it seriously. And in the current scenario, I suggest you take online courses, so that there will not be any disturbance. As you know, Telangana, we are in the education institutions lockdown. The batches which have started offline are again now, got struck. So, but we had another online batch which started in December. It is still going on in a good pace. So, friends, this is a hassle-free thing, and our classes are almost like classroom classes. You can interact. The board will be there. We have our many sample lectures in the YouTube also, my YouTube channel. So, friends, look forward you joining our classes, and the fee details have been given. You can pay it by Google Pay, Phone Pay, or even account transfer. Any more details, feel free to call me. I will personally answer all your questions. Okay. Good luck, friends. This is a good time. Please don't miss it. Start right now. Prepare right now. Start preparation right now. Focus on understanding classes properly, concepts properly. Get a good notes or updated material for you. And third pillar of success is writing practice. You do these three, your success will be definitely there. And we at Dr. N. Sridhar's IAS Academy are always focused on these three aspects, explaining concepts well, then good material as well as the writing practice. Okay. So thank you all. Hope to see you in the classes which are starting on March 31st. Okay. Thank you. Good luck.